Kalima, stop. Kalima. You like being out here, Lucky? You like being out here? Yeah. Mm. Lucky. Lucky. It's literally February and it's 62 degrees. This is really weird and strange. Strange world. Kids have let out. Kids have let out. And I'm with my kitty. My face, what's that on my face? I got a scratch on my eyebrow. Interesting. Kalima! Wow, that's making it look yellow. Mama. Mama. No. Kalima, turn around. Why you want to turn around? Kalima. Hello, cute walk. Stink. Come on. You happy now? Nobody. Kalima. Kalima. This is my little girl. Her name is Kalima. She is a diva, a real big diva. But she don't listen, cause she is a diva. Right, little girl? Kalima? Kaliki? So I'm watching these kids across the street jump over a fence to get into the school playground when all they have to do is literally walk around the school. Like, I'm not... Oh, no. They're not trying to get into the playground. They're just having fun hanging from the gate. And this guy, like, on nice clothes, a nice little sweatsuit. Boy, if I was your mama, and I saw you out here doing that, you gonna get popped. Crazy. But I was a kid too. But we had outside clothes though. We didn't have fun in our outside clothes because we knew we would get popped. For sure. We got the motorcycle bulls. I don't even know what that's about. They be on those because they want to be fancy. They letting everybody know, yeah, our police department got money. We got the motorcycle bulls. I don't even know what that's about. They be on those because they want to be fancy. They letting everybody know, yeah, our police department got money.